Hello everyone, welcome to innovative science activities using LABOXD Science Kit. Today's activity is Electroscope. An electroscope is a device used to detect the presence of electric charge on a body. It is also used to find the nature of charge on a body. Like charges repel each other, this is the principle on which electroscope works. The activity packet contains a procedure sheet, a yellow board with required items, two transparent sheets, a copper wire, balloons, two thin paper pieces, Now let us separate the parts from the board. Fix the two parts at the side of the base. Now take two transparent sheets and fix it as shown. Now take the second rectangular part take the copper wire insert one end of the wire through the center of this board. Bend the bottom end into U shape. Attach the two thin pieces of paper into the U shape. Now fix this board at the top. Now the electroscope is ready. At the top, the copper wire should be in concentric circular shape. Now take the balloon and inflate it. Rub it against dry hair and bring it near the copper wire. Observe the papers. They move apart. This is because the balloon gets charged and the charge flows through the wire and transferred to the paper. When there is charge, the papers move apart, and when charge is removed, the papers relax. Like this, the electroscope identifies the charge in a body. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed watching today's activity. Please like, share and subscribe to watch more such activities.